One thing I've wanted to do since I've pretty much gotten the Viper was to clean up the inside of the wheels. What I mean by that is the inside of these rims or wheels, whatever you want to call them, they got this brake dust everywhere. So it's pretty gross. It was low on the priority list, but now that I've gotten the car where I wanted it to be, I can go ahead and do this. So I'm going to take one wheel off at a time and clean out the inside. Here's a comparison. 225, 55, 16. So these go on the Lexus, and 225s are pretty average, I would say. Now compare that to the rear 335s on the Viper. I mean, that is just hysterically wide. The inside barrels of these wheels are just absolutely coated with brake dust. Probably never ever cleaned. So I'm gonna go in there and try and clean this up, make it look shiny and new. I don't know how long it'll last. Hopefully at least a year before I have to do it again. But we'll see how this turns out. I've decided to go against using the nice expensive chemical guys mitt and just opt for my 99-cent sponge because I have a feeling that the mitt would just absolutely get ruined doing this. So the sponge it is. Called Elvin up, told him about, I asked him if he had like a polishing wheel or something like that. He said he didn't, but he's gonna bring over a power washer, and that might do it for this stuff. I mean, it's definitely a lot better than what it was, but like I said, this stuff seems like it's pretty caked on. Maybe a pressure washer will do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got this scrub. What are you parking like that for? You need to pull up in this sand pit, boy.
Oh really? It's not on the street parking?
Well, look how far it's sticking out. Cuz, how you doing, brother? I'm not gonna touch you because it's coronavirus, but dang, look at this drift monster. Wow.
No battles cars either.
No battles cars. No zip ties.
Drifter, huh?
Not bad. Look at this. So this is the...
It's a 4K car.
$4,000?
Yeah.
Ain't
Slick
bad.
deal.
It is a slick deal. Look at that. Standard. We abandoned the power wash idea because closer inspection, I really just don't think it's going to work. So we went down to the local AutoZone. We got this Black Magic no scrub all-wheel cleaner, and we're going to see what happens. So hopefully it takes this shit off, but I'm a little skeptical. What, are we supposed to let it sit or something? I didn't even read the directions. Here, take that.
Tim reading. This is the first. Let's see if he still remembers it.
2 minutes. Allow set for 1 or 2 minutes. Hose off with cool water. Wipe away remaining brake dust and grime. Extremely severe, disgusting. Agitation with a brush and or second application. Okay. Should I lay it down, you think?
Yeah, I think that's good. If you like lay it down so that way it like goes to the midsection too.
Say 1 or 2 minutes, we just let it sit. All right, I'm gonna hand it off to Elvin. It's been 1 or 2 minutes. Allegedly. I'm somewhat skeptical of how this is gonna work.
Tim doesn't believe in science.
I don't believe in science. And I'm right. Look at that. It's still freaking, it didn't do anything. That stuff's like really baked on, man. It's not gonna go nowhere. The kiddo's adamant that a toothbrush will take it off, so I'm gonna let him scrub, and we'll watch.
Man, look at that. That's stuff coming out.
Okay, so you're gonna do the whole wheel.
Well, we might need a bigger brush, but
What I'm saying is we need to get like a power tool, man.
hey, look
So
at all
people
this
want to
stuff.
see it too.
Damn. Look at that.
All right, man. So
Look at that versus that.
your job's to do the rest of the wheel. Well, shit, I don't know what to do. Remember, I was like, hey, we should get. Damn, it actually does look pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm not gonna hit the whole wheel
Well, we
with
just
a damn
need a bigger
toothbrush.
brush.
You got another brush?
I have one at home. We just go by Walmart.
COVID-19. We're not supposed to be out.
I think just a brush is gonna do it, dude. Brush in there. It's just baked on, you know? The thing, like, pretty much.
Okay. 2 trips later and we can finally start. We got some rough brushes. We got the right wheel cleaning product. So we'll see how it goes now. I'm pretty convinced we'll be able to get it now after seeing Elvin's
Brushing skills?
brushing skills, yeah. All right, hit it. So I don't think we're gonna get any better with the tools that we have. It looks like, for some reason, it's like permanently darker in that section. But it looks a ton better, so pretty happy with it. We're gonna give Elvin's power washer a try. Let me know what this sounds like to you. I think it sounds like a damn vacuum cleaner. What do you think, Elvin?
Exactly.
Exactly. All right, so we got the front left off. Elvin, I broke it. Now we're on the right side of the car. So you can see, oh my gosh, yeah, that's absolutely disgusting. These little clean parts here were my attempt while the wheel was on the car when I washed it to clean it up, but everything else is pretty caked on. So we'll try this. Let's do that. We're gonna have to hit it with the scrubber anyways. Did you hit the record button again?
No, is this still recording? Yeah. I didn't turn it off.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Probably getting the shot of your ass, though.
One more fat boy to go. The last of the 4. Here we go. It's the big boy. The big boy's pretty dirty. Elvin hit him with it. We had to do it to him. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It sucks. All right.
I'm taking it out.
We're getting this one. It's going to take forever. Look, see, dude, yeah. Yeah, you and your pressure washer. Sponge and soap.
Good
Gets
old,
like
old school ways, huh?
old school ways, brother. It gets probably like 80% of the crap off. And then, damn, what's all that? It looks like,
Black dots.
I don't know, man. We're uncovering things as we go. All right.
Everyone has chicken pox.
Chicken pox, yeah. Last and final wheel. Got the back, baby. Woo! Way better. Still not perfect. I'm not sure why it's like permanently stained there in the center, but looks way better than before, so happy about that. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we're all done. Let's come around and scope these wheels out. I mean, they look way better. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. So I still don't know why they're kind of stained on like the inner half of the wheel, but they look way better than before. This kid came over and actually kind of helped out a lot today. What do you think?
I think it was a good job.
Good job, yeah. So the tires came out really good. So if you got any tips or tricks on how to get that last little bit clean, leave them in the comments, huh? How about that? This kid's laughing. All right, and just like that, ladies and men, we'll catch you next time. See you later.